how to remove background in CapCut. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, create a new project. Now I'm going to select this video over here that I just recorded of my hand. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my hand is cut out. Now over here is the video. Now what you want to do is simply click on it. And then you have all of these different effects that you can apply. You want to search for the cutout effect right over there. Now here you can remove the background. This is what I want to do in this case. But let's say you have a green screen video. Then you want to use the chroma key on the right. And then you can key out that green color of the green screen. Now in this case, I just want to do it automatically. So I'm going to click on remove background like that. It is now currently removing the background. I can now click on the check mark and I'll just have to wait for it to be 100% done. And once that is done, we can actually hit play. So now it's completely removed, hit play, and there you go. This actually works quite well. You can see a couple of small detailed parts. If I can zoom in, no, you can't. But right here, for example, you can see that it doesn't like completely work, but it actually works pretty well. So that's actually all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.